Welcome there. We're 15 minutes Worthey, and this one more tutorial episode about OpenShot video editor. Here we are going to speak about chroma key. We introduced brief introduction for editing in OpenShot, and we explain the most important aspects for editing here. And in this video we are going to introduce one more explanations about chroma key or green screen key. How to use this tool and with some applications for some creative ideas about green screen. In brief, to apply green screen, all you need to do is put your clip and select and drag chroma key, double left click on chroma key to have properties of chroma key here, and from this key color pick screen color to determine which color exactly you want to remove from your footage. Here you are going to do you're going to select green screen and there fuzz is used to select how much of green color you want to remove. For example, if I have this image, then you will notice some of blurring and this footage down there. So from chroma key, increase fuzz to select or to remove the whole green color. For example, this process no selected numbers but trial and error. Here 50, let's make it 8 for example, and the footage now more exposed. Now this is the same idea with every green screen you want to use, with every footage, with any color in fact you want to use. Now let's apply some ideas. Here we have two green screen and we're going to apply chroma key for each one separately. And here the complete footage after edit. Let's apply one more chroma key. Here you can apply this with other footage or with other image, video clip that gives you some of interesting shape. Generally, you can apply one more than chroma key. Let's use some one more footage about coronavirus with other color. Now we can select and drag one chroma key to remove the rest of green color. And one more video of green screen color. Here, you already know this, right? Looks strange. Okay, let's make something out from this circle. Let's use some other tool in OpenShot to decrease this plan. Here we have scale X and scale Y. Look what happens when I use it. The plan becomes small with respect to X axis. The same with Y axis. Notice what happened in the end of the clip. The whole X, the X and Y values are maintained throughout the whole footage. In fact, we don't want this. So, after some time, we will change these values. And the end here of the clip, we will add keyframe with new values for X, scale X and scale Y. Also, we can make this plan make some rotation. And here the same footage. Let's use one more chroma key effect to make object flying or floating. This is the general idea of how to apply floating objects with chroma key. Generally, you can use green screen color and drone footage. Here I have drone footage for the street. Now you know what I do. Nice, it's gone. Now it's floating, and here is my footage after some edit. What about using chroma key for deleting different parts of the same footage? And remove this yellow color or orange color. One more chroma key. For this part. Oh, so nice. One more chroma key for this yellow color here. we have the most top or uppermost tunnel passing through sun clip. Somehow nice. And here is my clip. The last trail here is the same door clip with these swans, nice swans. And here is my clip. I really hope you found this tutorial more engaging to watch and benefit, give you explanation and some creative ideas to use chroma key. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I want from you to tell me what I can do for improving my content. Thank you.